to know what happened that way.
All right, the boys. I'll see you later. I'll go to this.
Hey.